Hey, so today we're going to be going into Ikea to see what they have for outdoor furniture and outdoor items. So they started to stock up at my Ikea for outdoor items because it is spring and someone will be here before you know it. So they have a lot of planters out right now. They all kind of look the same, but they're different. So they're about 20 something dollars. They come with a little tray at the bottom and then the planters, different sizes. These plants, if you didn't know, IKEA has real plants, so you can get plants there and they have a variety of them. This planter right here, $15, and this one has more of a clean line up top and it comes with the tray for the bottom. They have sets that you can purchase, and most of IKEA sets will be pieces. So you'll buy the individual pieces. Sometimes they will have whole sets though, but the cushions, you do have to buy those separately for the majority of the sets. This chair right here with the wing back is $2.99 for this one. And I think we saw this last year, but they have it today. This right here, it is marked new. A lot of their sets they're marking new. So I don't remember if they were out last year. So 905 for this sofa right here. And then you can see the cushions are sold separately, 30 for the back and 35 for the bottom one. They have pillow covers for the outdoors. So they had a few of these different mesh style ones to put over the pillows. They have a lot of lighting. So they have the string lights and they have little lanterns. So you can pick from different ones and you can see some of the string lights match the little lanterns that they do have. They have different styles, they have different colors. So if you're looking to set up some outdoor lighting, IKEA does have a few different options for those. And I love how they will display these throughout the setups that they do have set up, so you'll be able to see a lot of these pieces set up in the displays. This one I thought was cute, so $38 for this, and it just has, like, that cute little shape, that little mushroom lamp shape that everybody was doing. This right here reminds me of all of the sofa sets that everybody loves with those big cushions at the bottom. I couldn't get a price on the chair, but they did have a price on the love seat for this. So the chair will be lower than the love seat, but it has those thin lines, those big cushions, just like those sofas that we see. So $7.30 for this love seat right here. And I believe that one did come with the cushions. So you'll get the whole set. You can get this um, umbrella right here. The base is $75, and then the umbrella was $125 for that. This table also you can purchase there, and the rug for $80. The table, I didn't see a tag on, but you can see it has storage and it has those little lines in it, which I thought was cute. This was set up so cute from the floor to the just little seating area. It just looked so cute. So I didn't sell the floor. I didn't see it on sale, but they do have the pieces. So $50 for the chair right there. And then they have the bench, they have the table. So you can get this whole little look. So the table is $69 for that right there. And you can see the little details in it and it matches in the chair. They have the little bench right here, and here they displayed it with cushions available from them. So $15 for the base cushion, and then they have the pillow, $10 pillow cover. The bench is $149. And then you can see that lamp there, or that pendant lamp for outdoors that was displayed. And then the little lanterns for $22. That little pink cushion cover, $3 for that. These pieces I like. Okay, what they're going to do too is display a lot of the same pieces but in different ways, so you can see how they look together. So $159 for this. You can use this as a bar cart, you can use this for other storage outside. Thought that was nice. This right here was super big, so a nice big size sofa for outside. And again, the cushions, 30 and $35 for those. And then this is only $350. Like I said, it was a big size. And then these candles right here I thought were nice because they just had that pop of yellow, and they look like kind of those bug repellent candles. I can't say for sure, but it was $6, so you can grab those. Then this sofa right here, I straightened it out just a little bit so you could see it better how it would look in your home, because you would straighten it out. This chair right here with the bright colors, and it $90 for this one. And this kind of looks like it rocks a little bit. I can't say for sure though. This table right here, $115 for that. And then again, the cushions between $15 and $20 for these cushions right here. And then the sofa itself was $515 and it was marked as new as well. So you can grab that piece right there. And then this one looks similar, but it's different. So you have that table right there, $55, and it's like that wicker table. And because of the cushions and things on here, you can't really see, but the back of this one right here is also, so that's just a nice little detail, and based on how you set it up and where your cushions are, you'll be able to see that or you won't see that. So that is on sale too for $310. So you might want to grab that because that is a decent size sofa. They have tables, so $219 and $169. So the wood one is the $219 one. And then you can see, again, they displayed it with different chairs. So $55 for this chair. And then, of course, the cushion is sold separately. But that is how that chair looks. And then the table, like I said, is $219 and it's a nice wood. And then they have the slot for the umbrella in the middle. And then they have this chair right here, which is another one because all of the colors kind of go together. This little setup right here, so they have a bench, so you can see it with the bench. They have the table itself right here, and the bench is on sale too for $95, along with the table being on sale for $169. So that's over $100 savings for that. And that one has the umbrella slot in the middle too, and then it has like kind of a contrasting detail on it. And then these are the chairs that really go with it. Well, they all kind of go, but these kind of just match real nice with it, and those are $95. Those are not on sale, but they have these cute little black lanterns right here, and those are only $7, and they're a cute little size. And then of course they have the tea lights all the time, and then they have a pack of 100 for $6. If you didn't know that, IKEA always has those. More plants for outside, so $35 for those. This high table right here, and again, it's in the wood colors that the other ones are, so you can mix and match them, and that is $119 for that. Then they have this little set up here with kind of like a bar table for $149 for that right there. And then you can get the little bar stools to go with it, and they are only $70 for those right there. So you might want to get a little set up like that. But like I said, I love how they display it. So these are a lot of the pieces we saw, but it looks totally different because the way they displayed it in this little like gazebo like piece right here, and they just put it with the little curtains, which they also sell too. So they have this, and they're using it like a bench. You can use it for storage. So $109 for that, and you can see it fits a few pillows and stuff in there. And then they have the string lights displayed again for $30, and they just look real pretty. Kind of looks like when they set up in the city sometimes at night. So they have the chairs, the table. This table is long though, so this is a nice long table because you can see they have a bench there, they have a chair all on one side. So $269 for this table right here. And then of course all the things, most of the things that they display on there, you can also buy like the table settings. $85 for this chair right here, and this one is bigger, you can see it in comparison to the other chair there. $90 for the bench, and then of course you get the cushions. I'm trying to think what cushion would you use for that, because those two cushions weren't quite long enough. And I'm not sure a third one would fit on there though. So yeah, you have to play around with those cushions. This is set up really pretty. So they have this, and they used the little throw pillow covers for those right there, which is, so that just shows you that you can, mix and match. That is $125 for that one. So you don't have to get the actual back, for this. So you can get cushions from someplace else, but you can display this and just have it so nice. That's that bigger chair with a cushion now on it. This little table here, $35. This right here is $75, and you can put a cushion on it. You cannot put a cushion on it. This little set right here is marked the combination $89, but you do buy the pieces separate for this. So the table is on sale for $29, and then they have the chairs, and you can see they put little cushions in it, but the chairs are $30, and then the cushion was $10. So that wasn't part of the combo price that they had set up there. This, another one displayed real nice. So they have it with little grills, so you can imagine, you know, how it would be. But this is a high table for $269, and it's in like a gray. And then they have all the little dish pieces out, and then these are chairs that go with it, and you can see these chairs with the little design in the back, they go with some other pieces too, that I'll show you in a second. So 120 for those chairs right there. And then they have this little setup here with the little table and the chair and the love seat right there. So 150 for that table. And then these dark cushions with this are really kind of cute. So $25 and $20 for those. And then 170 for the chair there, and you can see the little dip in it, the little dip in the side of the arms. That's a cute little detail on that. And then they have the love seat piece right here for $279, so you can get that whole little setup. I thought this was a refrigerator. It is not. So $190. It's like a storage bin, but it looks like a refrigerator or a big cooler, I don't know. So then they have this little setup here. So $119 for that table, and then $55 for the chairs. This one I liked. So if you have a small space, you want like a little bistro setup, I like this one and the other one. So $59 for this table. I think it's like just the wash or the finish on this wood right here, and then $45 for these chairs. So I thought that was just cute. I don't know, the little curve in the chair, all of that. And then if you want to cover up your little bistro sets, they have the cover on sale for $17. You can do that. And then you can see they have a ton of other ones. So they have these right here, and these are all the same, they're just in different colors. So the table itself is $69, and it's like a metal. And then they have the chairs right there, and they are $50 for the chairs. And just the colors are real bold. So they have it in the gray, and then they have it in the red. So if you want a different alternative. And then this one right here, it has a boxy little shape to it, but it's the least expensive one. So $19 for the table, and then $15 for the chairs individually, and they are folding chairs. Well, they all are folding chairs for these right here. And then they have this set right here, again displayed with different chairs, so you can see. So $159 for the table. Then they have this chair right here for $35. This one is just like a regular kind of folding chair. And then this one with the arms on it is $55. The other chair over there was a high chair. So they have these little spoons and plates. So the plates, $3. The utensils said 79 cents for 4 pieces, but there were more than 4 pieces in that bag. So I don't know. Um, this chair right here is $75, and then they also have it in like a tan brown. The floors that they've been having for a while, so $40 for that right there, and it's like a little wood, and you can do this and set up a little flooring for outside without a lot of work. They have this finish right here for $13, and then this big doormat was on sale. This I thought was cool. I've seen it before, but that was cool. But they have the little ice pop makers, $3 for a pack of 6. Not bad at all. So you can make little ice pops for the season. But look how small this gets. So it's that big dome, and you can travel with that no problem. So you can use that in a few different places. But $40, not bad for a big old cover. And then they have these little cushions right here for $40. So those are portable too, because you can fold those up. This planner basket right here, thought that was nice, $55. And again, in those wood colors that go with a lot of the sets that they have out. This is the little grill setup that we saw a second ago. So it says $2.99 for this right here. So they have it where you can get it a few different ways. You can see they have a few different pieces for this. So you can set up your own little look. It'll look like a little built-in grill station outside. So $180 for this piece right here. Then they have the sink for $265, and then the cabinet that is under is $90. So like I said, you can set up your whole little station and make it look like you have a little built-in without building it in. So $120 for that right there. The sink, I'm assuming you're going to need some type of plumbing to put in there, but I don't know. Then they have the little set up right here, so you can see how that looks. And then this big old sofa love seat right here, I thought was pretty. $269. You could put some cute cushions on there on the base, and then it'll be cozy to sit. This is so cute. So you can put this indoors, outdoors. $23 for that. Have you a little plant area. This was set up with a bunch of different chairs. So $2.99 for the table, and it has like that green. It has the umbrella hole in the middle. This chair didn't have a sticker on it, but it was cute. $90 for this chair right here, and that would go with a lot of other pieces. And then they had this one in the tan and the green for 120, and it had like all the little cute details in it. So yeah, you might want to grab any of those. The green goes real nice with that green. They even have the condiments for outside. So they have ketchup, mustard, all kind of different stuff that you can get. You can see it's really inexpensive. This chair right here goes kind of with those other chairs we just saw for 120, and it's like a high top chair. So you can grab that right there. These are, that's the table for 269, and then these are the curtains for $7. So those little mesh curtains, they're $7 for the pair. And then you can see this goes with the other one with the little detail in the back, the one, the high top table. So 269 for the sofa right there. Again, you got to buy the cushion separately. And then they have this little table set right here. So you get both those pieces for the 120. And then this chair right here, 120, and it goes with that. And then this goes with that. And you can see it with the cushion, without the cushion, because the cushions are sold separately. So 115 for that. And then they have this bench right here with the wood base to it. So you'll get like the wood bottom. And that one is on sale for 125. They have this little setup right here. So this table and these chairs, every time I see them, they are like a high-end chair. So if you go to Restoration Hardware, different places, Arhus, different places, you'll see these chairs, and they're not 155. Like they have these for outdoors and the woven chairs. They're not 155. The table for 499, and then it has like a little detail on the legs. They have a glass set for $10. They have this one. This looks like an indoor dining table to me, but it clearly says outdoors. So only thing is I can't figure out which one is the price. So 429 they set up there, but then it said 349 right there. So it's one of those prices. So it's gonna be 349 or 4 something. But the rug is $90 and the chairs are 120 for this. And they all say they are outdoor. I would still, because it's so cute, I would put this in a covered space and again displayed with the lantern. So you might want to head over to Ikea and grab some of this great outdoor stuff right now.